Sir, this is one complaint. I will complain to you tomorrow. Sir, everyone is aware. It's all about the first October. Now, what has happened? Margao, Kunkuri, and Police Station, there are complaints. But it has all converged and gone to Bicholi because the incident took place in Bicholi. The jurisdiction, only territorial. But what has happened is that it is an offence which he might have started over there. So it's a continuing offence till it reaches the ears of everybody who are all over the world. They are all victims. So the victims are placed all over the world. So jurisdiction is there for this place also. Because while sitting in this place, we have become victims. So that is why we are saying that the jurisdiction is here as well. So we are asking for an FIR here. And additionally, in that FIR, only 299 is there. But section 299, but case is made out for 196, 197, 192, 302.
We have made it
the
bold.
sections bold.
Page, which page?
Point number 12. Point number 12.
Yeah, but if sir goes through paragraph 3,
Just read it, please.
following the commission of the said offence, there were widespread, second page. Paragraph 3. There were widespread protests all over Goa with large number of people participating. Thus, the said inflammatory speech has demonstrably offended large sections of society and their religious sentiments. The very fact that the people have come out means it has happened. The pain has already been caused to the victims. That is one indication. Number 4 paragraph, Rasta Roko was held in several places. I was seeing Anjuna also, Margao of course we know. Many other places, Santa Cruz also they were having. So not only protests, sir, but also Rasta Rokos were taking place. So law and order situation is definitely at hand.
But these are often in different jurisdictions.
Yeah. So here, Rasta Roko, here Rasta Roko is not there, but public tranquility is definitely affected. Then, it is noticed that certain factions of persons have come forward in support of the accused. Today only, in the morning, if once sir's investigation commences, sir will know. At Bodhgeshwar temple in Mapsa. And there they have repeated the same things he has said. So again and again they are saying same things against the saint. They are saying same things, that his DNA should be tested, he is a fake saint and all same things they are saying.
The meaning we say is the continuity of offensive words are still going on.
Still going on.
It's not
Because he
got
provoked.
over
Yeah.
after you have filed one FIR. They are still continuing that.
But we are hearing it sitting here. So we are still the victims. So the thing is that he provoked once, but there is a chain which he has started. And that provocation is a chain reaction. And what happens was, sir, I might just hit him because I'm angry. Riot will start. So this is that's why I put 192 section. Then, sir, that he has uttered words like cops, like Mode. Actually, I should have written Mode and Xavier Hussain. I can just make the correction.
Because the relics and corpse or modern is totally a different word altogether.
Mode means it's a completely this is my copy, sir.
Modern is a corpse.
Yeah,
There
but
is the
completely
relics of our saint.
Yes.
Relics of our saint, the holy person. You can't call it corpse. These are relics. These are relics. You're not going to call a corpse.
This is our faith that it is not a corpse, it is relics. It is our faith. So the faith has been directly attacked, sir. Then he has called for removal of the relics. Now why, sir, I have put this section 197. Sir,
Yes.
BNS section 197. It is point number 14. 197, sir, I have only highlighted the relevant part of the section, but sir has also given this. Makes or publishes, whoever makes or publishes any assertion, counsel, plea or appeal concerning the obligation of any class of person by reason, blah, 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 race, language, religion, or caste committee, such assertion, counsel, plea or appeal causes or is likely to cause disharmony or feelings of enmity or hatred or ill will between such members and other persons, makes or publishes false misleading information which is jeopardizing the unity and sovereignty. Now sir, that C point, no, he has made that kind of appeal. Why I am saying is he has said that these relics have to be taken away and just thrown out maybe in Europe. He doesn't want the relics to remain here with us. So this kind of plea he's saying he's going to make to the government, and otherwise on camera he has already made the plea to the people. So this kind of plea is directly coming under 197, and it is affecting the people over here. 196 is self-explanatory, sir, that he has uttered words spoken and written, spoken in this case, and representations through electronic communication, because he invited the press also over there and he has spoken directly into the camera. So there is dissemination also on his part. We have not applied IT, but sir is of course free to. Then and feelings of hatred and ill will between communities. Why I say sir between communities? It's not just religious sentiments which are hurt. Those are hurt. That is why 299. But ill will between, because he has brought in Shivaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and he has brought in Lord Parshuram, and he is trying to make them fight with Saint Francis Xavier. I have written exactly what he has said in his speech. Of course, speeches in Konkani I have just translated. And over there he has made this kind of comparison. Comparison should have never been made, sir. Because once that comparison is made, that is why that hatred and ill will comes. That is why 196, sir. 192 is the one writing which I have said that Master Dakka Lamla Zalya. It's a very tense situation, sir. And tense situation may tomorrow be away because everybody will start praying now. The novenas are coming, so tense situation will go. But today there is tense situation and he has created it anyway. And finally, sir, 302. 299 is already, anyway, case is made out. I think whole of Goa knows that. 302, sir, is that whoever with deliberate intention of wounding the religious feelings of any person utters any word or makes any sound in the hearing of that person, or makes any gesture in some blah 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 sight of that person, shall be punished with description of 1 year. So this also he has done completely. And sir, the thing is that he has antecedents. This is 2024. 2023 also he has done, investigation will reveal that. So he is constantly has antecedents. Maybe there is no criminal record of him, but he has antecedents. So he is somebody who is a danger. Now movies are going to start in November, which is 1st of November.
Yeah.
November. So now at this point, sir? Till December,
Yeah.
Till the
January.
But this time since there is exposition,
It is
to
more.
continue.
So we'll give you, no, we'll
45 days.
45 days.
45 days.
the dates become, we'll just inform you.
So what happens is that the threat is ongoing because what he has started is now gone to other parts also. Those who want to create ill are creating. That is going to affect the feast. And sir, feast, international people are coming. It will be a law and order situation. And we don't want any such rioting, this person has to be arrested for that reason. Once he's arrested, some of us we can sit down and relax. And other people also, all the victims who are there. But if he is not arrested, then this will continue till the feast. It will even explode at the feast. That is the problem. That is why the arrest is imminent.
Then applying all these sections, applying all these other sections which are not applicable in, which are not made applicable in visually. आम्ही ते मागता कित्याक लागून आमचेकडे एक्सप्लेनेशन बद्दल दिला to cover.
Place in Ponda as
Yes.
well.
They've covered up the entire offences in such a manner that it's not only 1 or 2 sections, it is about 6 or 7.
I'll discuss with my supervisor.
We will be very grateful because this is a religious matter, and I hope you have liked the obedience of the people of Ponda. We have first only instructed our people, community, that nothing untoward, no bad slogans or
Yes,
whatever.
I appreciate
Because we wanted that there should be any provoking inside the issue.
We are dispersing now.
Because we are basically.
We assure you of our support. We would expect your support to register this FIR as early as
That's why I
possible
will
with
call
you.
extra police also.
No, to be
Here
very
it is not required.
No.
Why? Because we were very peaceful. Our people were very peaceful, and our leaders, we have both the attorneys of the church and chapel, made
I
an
know most of
appeal.
the people.
They made
But-
an appeal that will be a peaceful protest. any incident to take place. आम्ही गाडी आणि मोटरसायकल चालवतो. Custodian heads of the law because you did not even allow a motorcycle to be stopped on the road. हाजी पहिले आमची प्रशासना बी केन्ना आमी मोटरसायकल बी डायवर्ट करताले आज ते तूं ना दोतोर आशिल्लो आमचे वांगडा मिस्टर राजेश बेरेकर आशिल्लो आमचे वांगडा बाकीचे आमचे चर्च लीडर आशिल्ले एक मोटरसायकली पासून आमी थंय
म्हाका
हाडप
सांगिल्लें म्हाका माझे सुपिरियर सांगिल्लें की प्रॉब्लेम हांवें ताका डायरेक्ट सांगलें की फोंडा आमच्या एरियेंत कांय जावचें ना कित्याक आमी लोकां खातीर आहा आनी लोक बसून आमकां जितले सपोर्ट करता आनी पिसफूल जातले
and our church leaders made sure
आम्ही
that nothing has आम्ही लोकांक भायर आमचे प्रशासन आमचे हे आसा तेन्ना सर भायल्यान सुद्दां लोक आसता आज आमी रस्त्यार सुद्दां लोकांक रावूं दिना आमी पर्सनली वचून लोकांक अपील करून भितर हाडल्या कोणाकूच आमचे हेजे एरियाचे भायल्यान कोणाक रस्त्यार किंवा हेजेर रावूं दिवं ना
Yeah, I heard that because I was maintaining patrolling by I was keeping track on your place.
हांवें म्हणलें गोंयांत एकूच पुलीस स्टेशन आनी आमचें भाशण घेवपाचें जाग्यार आहा पळय सारकें आजूबाजून आमी जें उलयता तें हाफ तुमकां पयलेंच आयकूं येता एंड वी हॅव ऑलवेज स्टेड विथीन आवर लिमिट्स एंड वूड नेवर क्रॉस एटलीस्ट फॉर फोंडेकारांक लागून तरी करचें
Fonda people like
फोंडेकारांक लागून तरी
Now we are barging
जाणा
in.
तूं आमचो
In Warsaw we are barging in and because we find there is a little bit of friction and little bit of resistance. Here it doesn't seem like there's friction or resistance. Sir, you have the power and your jurisdiction is there.
Yeah, I discussed with my sister what will be the time frame to take action. I discussed I know
Sir, our numbers are there. Secretary, the numbers are there.
some insurance clinic can be available.
We have got 2,000 signatures here.
Yeah, people are
One
ready
other
to
signature.
take an acknowledgement.
Yeah,
No, no,
state
no.
offices.
No, no,
I'll get you some.
I'll give
No,
you
no,
a-
साहेबाकडनं मागीर घेऊया.
No, here acknowledgement.
You want a Xerox?
I'll give you for import and I'll give you a
I'll get a Xerox
No, no,
with a
No, no, काढलं.
We have to Xerox this, but these are all the signatures and support. There are, sir, 2,000, how many signatures? How many people who are... Sir, there are 2,000 victims you can see.
तांच्या मी झेरॉक्स मारून आपले रेकॉर्ड धरता आणि एम अटॅच करता ओरिजिनल तुमका अटॅच करता आता Ask somebody to get, we'll get it there at,
Sir, today itself, we will get this FIR registered.
Because see, we don't want to collect people again. Like we have to tell our people that you, as a PI, has given order of word. Like within this, I think it is within your right to do, but it's not in my hand. I'll discuss with my superior and I'll let you know. But today itself.
as early as possible म्हणतात ते
As early as
जातात
possible.
ते
This will have the meeting what we did.
Tomorrow is provoking him, I don't know, so that bail is applied for bail.
Tomorrow he has applied for anticipatory days. I mean, he has applied
We've been
for
peaceful, but our people might not move till we go and announce that it's going to be done within stipulated time.
Yeah. 5th, yesterday he had applied for
Look at that.
anticipatory bail. CRMA, so he doesn't have to be present. So he has moved. Tomorrow it is coming for hearing, interim protection he does not have. The normal process, of course, police 41 and all, they have to. We also can do the same thing. We can do the same thing. See, the search term, register of course, but 41A and arrest is required in view of the novenas and in view of the cascading effect of this offence. Yes, and it is a very huge offence, seeing the number of victims. In fact, before sir, only there are 2,000 victims right now. Those signatures are all victims.
What will be the errors of this?
Yes, yes. But what I'm saying, urgency is there. sir, because we are already 6
We have
days
taken up.
into
We
the
have
process.
taken up.
March
We will
second.
take
This is my copy.
that is your copy.
Okay, pardon?
How many pages you have given?
So we'll,
So we'll number-
we'll mark the
number
pages,
them.
we'll number the pages and give sir.
ಮಸೀದಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ನೀವು
So we'll move out. You can talk to your superior and then.
We'll wait for
Yeah,
the
we are waiting for your call. We'll wait outside.
for some time, sir.
will be outside.
Yeah,
You will be
yeah,
outside.
yeah.
Let
No, we'll
speak to the superior.
Yeah, we'll wait at the entrance outside.
We are hopeful that, you know, we are going to get some results. So
We don't want to have another meeting.
we'll wait outside and
And we tell the people will.
as and when PI calls us, then we
No,
can.
we'll wait outside.
Outside.
Entrance.
Yes, yes.
Before facing the people, let us have answer. No?
Yeah, you have to answer the
We'll see how comfortable you would be.
Yeah, maybe.
So phone me, no sir, because this is the
So
biggest
you are the
thing
PI.
right now.
You have all the right. One simple FIR.
Yeah, we are, we'll go out.
So I don't think you require your seniors approval for this.
Because the point is, what the PI is saying, I accept.
Symptoms.
But he knew beforehand that we were discussing the superiors and we were ready to register FIR. Because he was told beforehand.
So maybe one
Supreme Court has got a judgment which I am having in without even a complaint you can register. States asked to register. So I got that judgment also.
But sir, PI is the main person of.
Yeah, you have your power.
Register of FIR against states by the Supreme Court of India in 2023 judgment dila, wherein they say that even without we filing an application,
Sumoto can be
state
done. Sumoto can be done. Sumoto can be
And
done.
this also they have directed the states and the High Court to register
So now we have
or
to give
hate.
your notice, but without that, if you.
Yeah, we are like
You can do it,
informers.
you can do it.
Okay, we will, we will,
You can give it to Bhavin, what are you?
Yeah, I will number it so that it
No,
is not.
plain reading of it, you don't feel that it is an offense under the BNS.
you are convinced, sir. To be convinced, you are convinced that there is an offence that needs to be registered and as an
Because we
FIR.
don't want the things to
That is
escalate, sir.
important.
Unless we don't have this.
Sir, and
These people again, we don't know that are unequal meeting Korea. We'll just finish it once and for all.
so and as a PI, you are representing the people of Ponda, and if you don't have that power to register a simple FIR, what answer
No, no,
will
no.
you give to
Very
everybody?
sensitive.
No, PI has the power.
Yeah.
Being a sensitive issue, he is requesting us for the.
Yeah.
We'll wait.
Fine, we agree.
We'll wait. No, not tomorrow, no. We have to give a reply to this.
You have to
We'll give you half an hour. Half an hour.
We are peaceful so far. We have to control these people.
What's your name?
I'm talking to my.
Yeah, we'll wait for them.
We just wait for them.
But they-
इधर लोग काम का आनंद ले सकते
They
हैं.
want answer.
No, sir, when you tell them it's about this, so immediately they'll pick up your call and they will talk to you. That's also there. So,
He gave
it's the most urgent thing you go ahead. अब तक आप वही है, I'll give you the call.
Thank you.
Good.